Howdy, folks. So I know you've been watching my channel, and it's been nothing but avocado pits and damn squirrels. But I've also, been growing the not pineapple, old pineapples, but the bamboo. So this is the biggest it got, and I've been making stuff with the remnants. Got these cups going. This one I just put some oil on it. Got another one going over there, focus. As well as farting around, I made this handle for this ceramic knife that broke. Now it's fixed. So this is another knife I've been trying to fix after the handle broke. Been painting it, but